Since I love the nature, I used to sit here for a long time. And do you know what makes this spot even more special? That is, I can see both view the urban life and the vibrant greenery. And I believe greenery is the sweetest gift of nature. Actually, I love every phase of rain, the time before it starts, when the sky turns a darker shade and looks so beautiful. During the rainfall itself, and also the fresh feeling afterwards. Ooh, it's Kawashaki Char! When the gentle drizzle touches my face and legs, I feel mix of cold and calm. As if a tiny raindrop can carry a soothing energy.